What I can see is like a black male driver. Whether it's only a occupants for still stopping Stagecoach. Speed of 95, like traffic. Hey, whenever he made that roundabout, the back passenger door open. Black driver with a gray hoodie and a goatee, and there's a black window on the passenger seat. Copy. Alright, we're still south on Stagecoach. Stay please, that's take front right here at 30. South on Stagecoach.
That makes it right.
Lorenzo Bay, 263 for Adam 18. 1037.
Speed's 100, going up to Crystal Valley, fight traffic. Going up to baseline. Speed's 80.
Coming up the baseline.
Turn right on baseline to a parking lot.
Turn on baseline, come to a parking lot.
Alright, back on the Stagecoach.
Back on the Stagecoach.
Speed's 90, going up to Water Creek.
Come up to Water Creek.
Keep brake checking me.
Keep brake checking me.
TBI, Otter Creek.
TBI, Otter Creek, 10:30 p.m.
Get on the gun! Foot bell, black male, gray hoodie. Could go back to the car. This is the driver. Yeah, there was. You can clear the net, little rock.
Roger Bay, mid 1064 at 10:31 p.m.
Hey, if you would start our contract today, let's go to the creek.
Sir, do you send the channel? I can't do any contracts until the channel is cleared off of the channel. Thank you.